Adrian, is that your sister?
Oh, read this book. Read this book, baby. Let me open it for you. Here, look at the picture. Look at the picture. Look at the pretty picture. Look at the duck. Look at the duck. Bring this thing. It's not turn the music on.
Adrian, which baby sister is that one? What's her name?
I turn the music on.
Yeah, you turn the music on. What does Mommy say about that music?
I'm dreadful.
Yes, it's dreadful. Which baby sister is this? What's her name? Do you know which baby this is?
You don't know what I was dressed today?
You're wearing a dress. Do you know which baby that is?
I don't know. What
Eh.
a pretty dress in it.
She's like, what does it matter?
In the dryer.
Hi.
In the dryer.
Hi.
In the dryer.
What, your dress is in the dryer?
Yeah.
Yeah,
In the dryer.
it is. Hi.
I didn't know my dress. I didn't know my dress.
Okay, we'll get your dress out of the dryer. Hey, Cameron, can you say bye-bye? Can you...
Didn't I say bye-bye?
Adrian could say bye-bye. Are you going to? No? Bye-bye.